Today we have a small SMD component. I want to use it in a project, but because it's very small, it's not easy. Let's see if I can make an adapter that makes it easier to use. I have this small MA and D2 mini grinder. With a diamond coated cutting blade, I can cut a strip from a circuit board. Using a small vise, I can make a uniformly flat strip. The component has 3 leads, and I divide the copper surface into 3 parts. This is conveniently done with this small grinder. Here we have a N-channel MOSFET, which I plan to use for switching an electric motor on a timer. Why am I using such a small component? Because new components are no longer made in larger sizes. They are manufactured for industrial use, and components are not really made for hobbyists. Old components don't have the same power and current capacity. Even this small MOSFET can handle a continuous current of nearly 4 amps and a peak current up to 12 amps, with almost no resistance when conducting. It's an excellent component for a DC relay, for example to control a motor. I attach the adapter to the test device with double-sided tape. This is how I soldered the MOSFET onto a small circuit board, making it easy to use. In the actual device, soldering directly onto the circuit board is, of course, possible, but at the prototype phase, small components are difficult to handle. Here we have an intermittent motor control implemented with a 555 timer IC. The idea is to give the motor pulses of less than a minute, approximately every 4 minutes. Soon I'll be able to test how the circuit works, but I'll talk more about that some other time. Today I wanted to show this handy method for handling small SMD components. I hope you found the video useful. Thanks for watching.